Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Dropbox to File Explorer. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a source bar. You just have to click on the source bar and type Dropbox download. And you just have to press enter in the keyboard and the source results will be shown to you. You just have to scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see download and install the Dropbox desktop app. So you just have to click on that and the download interface will be shown to you on the screen. Currently I have already downloaded, so it says open Dropbox app. So if you haven't downloaded the Dropbox application, then it will say the download button. So you just have to click on the download button and proceed to the installation process of Dropbox. And when you have installed the Dropbox completely in your device, you just have to open it and you need to set up the Dropbox. And when you have finished setting up, then the Dropbox will automatically be included in your File Explorer. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.